Meghalaya state.
The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD has estimated a credit potential of Rs 2,788.32 crore for Meghalaya under priority sector lending for the year 2023-24. Meanwhile, during the State Credit Seminar, Chief Secretary D.P. Watlang on Friday released the State Focus Paper for 2023-24 prepared by NABARD. During the State Credit Seminar, which was organized in the city, during the seminar, Watlang urged the bankers and state government officials to lay focus on rural infrastructure development, rejuvenation of water resources and better water management, financial inclusion and simplification of procedure by the banks, etc. He called for convergence of all stakeholders and for collective approach towards developing rural Meghalaya.
I'm happy to see that the State Focus Paper has a resource envelope of 2,788 crores. It is a big figure. It is a humongous amount that we are talking about, and I'm sure that it is the role and responsibility of all the financial institutions, especially, who will be linked towards giving the credit to the farming community who need them the most. If they work hard, if they strive hard in the coming year, then we can see a difference to the local community.